Tell everyone what's happening.
Tell everybody what's happening. It's raining. Really hard. And there's people running in the rain, look.
It's really bad.
Look, more running.
People are running. It's pouring outside.
Woo! Somebody's gonna get hit by that thing. I'm wet.
I say we go try to run to a store, but...
I know, but not worth it.
Yeah, it is.
I'm freaking soaked and I don't want to be even more wet. God, it was just sunning like 3 minutes ago and now it's like pouring rain.
Mom has my key anyway. Pass.
Oh, I don't
You need to have one. Damn it.
Not damn it, it's gamut. Gamut.
Damn it.
Gamut.